thousands of people beautifully dressed in traditional Oshivambu attire attended from all over Namibia to witness a one-of-a-kind event for the first time in over 40 years. We are here in Umbala, Onambango village, just outside Ondonga, to witness the coronation of the new Ondonga King, Tatekulu Fillemon Shuumbwa Nangolo. As you can tell, I am in my traditional Oshivambu attire, and I'm very excited to witness this incredible and extraordinary event in Namibia. That's how excited I am. The atmosphere was filled with joy and relief as they swore in the new king. The king confidently spoke from the heart, delivering a speech that was powerful, humorous and unifying, and was aimed at bringing the old and young together. The King of Ondonga emphasized the importance of honoring our tradition. He believes in forgiveness and coexisting with our different cultures and traditions in a modern world. He had a wonderful message for his wife, thanking her for being there for him. The king mentioned the importance of going through hardships to become a stronger individual and also pay tribute to the men that helped him become the man he is today.
No, there's nothing different to what I used to be feeling.
Is there anything else you would like to let the Namibian community know as a whole?
Yeah, for Namibia, I'm just saying, at least we must just respect what we have received from our forefathers, because without that one, you are just like a person going, but you don't know where you are going.
Many Namibians from various cultural groups attended the coronation and shared how they felt about the new king of Ondonga. I'm here with Maria, one of Gondwana Collection's employees who joined us on this trip. What do you expect from the new king of Ondonga?
Yes, I expect actually unity, peace, and a true leader, because we really need that in our Ondonga kingdom.
I'm here with Nande. Nande, did you enjoy the day?
I enjoyed myself very well.
I would like to know, how did you find his speech? What was the most memorable part of it?
When he called for unity, and especially when he called for unity, he says now he carries everybody. Whether it was somebody supporting him or not, he's carrying everybody. And those that were supporting him must not now see others that were not supporting him coming on board. And then complaining that, no, why are you carrying that one? But he says now he's a king for everyone, including those.
All right. I am here with Margaret Mimi. Margaret Mimi, your full name, please.
Margaret Katunevi Elifas.
Beautiful. Mimi, how did you feel about today, the coronation?
I'm really feel proud that now we are free to have our new king now. We are really out of this problem now.
What do you expect from the king in his service to the community?
I actually prefer the king to stand his word. He actually swore that he is going to protect us, he's going to stand in for us, he's going to make sure that he's going to take care of what needs to be taken care of by the king as it is subjected to him.
We are happy that Ondonga community and the entire Namibians, they are working together, and we accept our king, Shuumbwa Elifas. He's our new king, and then we respect, and then I understand the change will come.
We believe the speech will go down in Namibian history because of its call for finding a space for old tradition in the modern world, as well as a strong call for unity. Make sure to visit our Facebook page for the King's full translated speech. Gondwana Collection wishes the new Ondonga King all the best as he steps into his role as the leader of the Ondonga community.